Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to open MKV video files with the ZTE Blade A36. So first thing to keep in mind that ZTE Blade A36 can actually play MKV files on its own. So let's open the files, then click on videos, and here I downloaded the short MKV file video. As you can see, it plays normally, it even has audio. But if it doesn't play for you, you can download VLC from the Play Store, which can play MKV files. First open the Play Store, click on search, now type VLC, here is VLC for Android, click install, now wait a little. Click open, click skip if you don't want to. Doesn't need permission for notifications. Let's grant permissions for files, access to standard media. Click allow. Click allow all. Alright. Click on browse. Select movies. Here's our video. As you can see, it can play through VLC. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.